Saving is an important financial discipline and helping many make sure they are prepared financially for whatever life throws at them. We'll look into the steps you need to take when getting into the habit of saving. Take these steps if you want to start saving in 2024. Pay off any high-interest debts first. If you have any outstanding debts, you may want to look at paying these off first, starting with the ones that are charging you the most to borrow the money, such as credit cards, store cards, and overdraft. That's because the interest rate you pay is likely to be higher than the interest rate you'll earn from your savings. Open a savings account. Savings account can be a smart way to store your money and earn interest, as well as removing the temptation to spend any funds left in your current account. Savings accounts enable you to earn interest on your money over time. What's more, you can earn interest on the interest you already earn, speeding up your saving. This is known as compound interest. Finding the right type of savings account is key. If you're happy to lock your money away for a while, a fixed rate savings account can help you maximize the interest you earn. An easy access savings account can give you the flexibility to withdraw if you need to, while a regular savings account may offer rewards for regular contributions. There are also individual savings accounts, ISAs, that enable you to save without having to pay tax on the interest earned. Check you meet the eligibility criteria when applying for a savings account. The type of savings account that will suit you will depend on your goals, how often you plan on contributing, and when you'll need the access to money. Create savings goals. Whether it's for a purchase, an event, or peace of mind, having a specific goal to save towards can help you stay focused. Once you have your goal, decide how much money you want to save and how soon you'll need to save it. Pay yourself first. Prioritizing your saving is important for staying on track. If you can, pay money into your savings account as soon as you get paid, allowing enough money left over to cover your essentials. If you're saving the same amount each month, you can set up some automation so you don't forget to move your money. Keep saving. Once you reach your goal, there's no need to stop. You may end up having different savings pots for different purposes, such as one for your emergency fund and another one for a new car. If you're struggling to maintain momentum and reach your goal, don't stop. Saving even a small amount is better than nothing. Work on developing the habit and then try to gradually build the amount you save over time. Increasing savings is attainable with some practical steps in place. Whatever you're saving towards, following these steps will help you to get started on your saving journey. Make sure you subscribe to XTB to learn more about investing and trading.